Hello everyone and welcome back to another DIY Decode video. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at what Parkside Tools are on sale at Lidl's nationwide this week, starting Sunday the 11th of May. The Parkside Tools keep on coming and let's take a look at what's on sale and then we can head to the store and see what I can get my hands on. Let's get into it then. So first up we've got a few things on the Lidl Plus. I think most people know now, but for those of you who don't, Lidl Plus is an app that you can download for free. And you can get savings on certain items every week. You can also hit targets. If you spend certain amounts, you get freebies in reward. So yeah, well worth doing. Like I say, free to download. And this week, if you purchase the dungarees in either purple or black, you would save yourself £7. So normally £19.99, £12.99 this week. They come in purple and black. We've also got a £10 saving with Lidl Plus on this 12-volt cordless polisher and sander. So that's on sale this week. Just remember, this is the 12-volt system, which is completely different to obviously the 20-volt system. So Parkside do offer two sets of architectures on their electrical range, the 12-volt and the 20-volt. So just make sure you've got the right batteries. If you purchase this, it actually comes with the 12-volt battery. It sort of slides in the bottom there, so you'll be fine if you buy that one. Then we've got the 12-volt cordless drill and driver set, $39.99. Again, this actually comes with a couple of batteries, couple of chargers. You can see here it comes in this big case. It's got tape measures, drill bits, driver bits, even like utility knife and a few other bits. So it is a complete set for £40. We've also got the multi-sander set. So you can see this man here using it here. It comes with a couple of sanding discs, really good cordless, just obviously sanding down some items, mainly good for wood. We've got the multi-purpose ladder. So this is on sale this week, £70, but you can see here it's comparable to the Screwfix one, which is £90, so £20 saving. It's a 3-in-1, so you can have it as a straight ladder, a step ladder, or as shown here, like a stair ladder as well. So that looks really good. I've actually been in the market for a new aluminium ladder, so I think I might see if I can pick one of those up. We've got the Japanese pull saw with, this one is a straight handle for $4.99. There's also this one here with the angled handle. These are really great for getting sort of flush cuts on wooden items. There's a different coarse, different sort of beef amounts on either side. The actual saw bends slightly as well. It's quite a flexible blade. So yeah, they're really good for getting flush cuts. And these are normally a lot more than £5. So good offer this week. We've got a couple of items on the tool assortments, side clippers, pliers. I think there's a belt punch as well. £3 each, £2.99 each, or two for £5. And then these look quite smart, these little folding kits. We've got a Torx one, 8-piece. We've got a Hex one, Hex key, 8-piece. And we've also got this one, which looks interesting. It's got some screwdriver bits. It's also got a couple of sockets as well and a driver. So, yeah, I mean, £2 each. Absolute bargain, that looks like. Then we've got the angled bit holder. So this is really good if you're working in tight spaces and you need to do a screw up or drill a hole or something and you just can't get access. It actually comes with a couple of bits as well, you can see. So it's almost 90 degrees, not quite 90 degrees, but almost 90 degrees. So great for sort of kitchen work, cupboard work, just anything with a tight space really where you won't get the hole drilled in. £2.99 for that. The tap and die set, so a 21-piece set. I actually already own this. Yeah, it works perfectly. £10, £9.99 this week. The hinge set, so this is for drilling hinge holes. You get 3 different sizes. I think there's a 2.8, a 3.6 or something, and a 4.2. £3. I actually had a look on Screwfix, and a sort of comparable set for this is £15. So just an absolute bargain in Parkside this week. Hole saw set, 5 pieces, interchangeable hole saws, £3. Screw extractor set, £3 again. So if you've stripped the head on your screws, this is good for being able to get them out. We've got the flexible drive shaft. So again, similar to this angled one up here, but just super flexible. Good for sort of low torque. So you can't be doing big jobs in this, but if you're just sort of nipping up screws and things like that in tight spaces, these are perfect. And then Parkside often have this. It's the bit sets. There's a couple of different assortments. This one here is a 71 piece for £10. Another one for 71 piece, but you do get slightly different bits in it, so you can take a look at each of them. A 56 piece. And then there's some drill bit sets. So there's a masonry 11 piece one and a wood drill bit 11 piece one as well for £2.99. And here's another bit set. Lots of bit sets this week, £2.99, and some more drills. High strength steel drills for £2.99 as well. Then we've got shackles in different sizes. This one is a 2-pack. They're 13mm shackles. 10mm you get a pack of 4. 8mm you get a pack of 6. Or you get a 6mm you get a pack of 8. And they're all priced the same at £3.99. So you can pick those up this week. And then we've got some clothing items. We've got gloves, £5.99. I've got a couple of sets of these green ones, green and red actually. I've got really good, really strong gloves. There's a sort of black and grey one this week as well for £5.99. T-shirts, £2.99. White, red, black. You can pick up those. They normally stock them from about medium to XXL, I believe. And then we've got the men's work shorts, pattern type. Blue, black, £7.99 for those. And then boxers, £4.99, black and grey, a couple of different shades of grey actually, and then black. So that's everything. Let's head over to my local Lidl, show everything in store, and then obviously whatever I pick up I will sort of do a small quick review at home. Yeah, if you're enjoying the content, please do like and subscribe. I'll make sure I always do these, and then obviously any reviews I do with Parkside Tools, DIY stuff that I do at home, I will create content for. Thank you. Morning everyone, I'm here at my local Lidl store. It's a beautiful sunny May's day, and we're going to head in and see what Parkside goods we can pick up today. Let's go. Right, so then first up we've got the drill bit set, 11-piece set here, £2.99. There is this one is the masonry drill bit set. Comes in this quite nice little tube actually. And then there is also a wood set as well. There you go. And a high strength steel one as well. So little tubular sets there. Then we've got the shackles. They come in packs of 2, 4, 6 and 8, depending on the size you get, and they're all £3.99. Then we've got the bit set. There's various different types of these. You can see them here. Quite good sets, especially if you don't have larger toolkits. Then we've got the 12-volt polisher sander. So £24.99 with the Lidl Plus app, or £34.99 without it. 12-volt system. Comes with a few different pads and brushes. Then we've got the drill set, again, 12-volt system. This is quite a complete set, like I said previously. It comes with a tape measure and a few other bits, so it's quite a big set you get there. And then the 12-volt multi-sander as well for £29.99. All of these come in these really good Parkside carry cases. They're really, really good actually for storing. Next we've got the dungarees, so save £7 with the Lidl Plus app. They come in a couple of colours, quite a few sizes as well. You can see there. You can go through them. Good to pick up if you've got some work to do recently or coming up soon. Shorts here, again £7.99. Quite a different few patterns, colours, sizes, etc. Obviously each Lidl will stock different amounts, but the sooner you get there, the better your chance of finding your size. Gloves, £6 for these. I've got a set of the green ones and they're really good actually, really strong. There's black and grey ones there as well. And then t-shirts, £2.99. Black, there's white and there's red as well on sale this week. Belch bag, bum bag, £2.49. So this was in sale, I think a couple of months ago in March for £5. It's £2.50 now. And the same with the there's actually a cap and a bucket hat as well. They're both £2.49. What have we got next? We've got the hand tool assortments, so £2.99 each, or any two for £5. The long nose pliers. We've got some side cutters, and we also have water pump pliers. And there was also here it is here, leather hole punch for punching holes in belts. So that was good. We've got some grow pots here, £2.99. So I think most of you will be aware that Lidl at the minute every week are doing different gardening things. There's loads and loads of stuff, and a lot of it's still on the shelves from previous weeks, so worth checking that out. The Japanese pull saws. So this one is the angled one with the sort of blue edge, and then the one with the orange edge, you can see me just fishing for, is the straight handle. So they're both the same price, just one's got a long straight handle, one's got an angled handle. Folding hand tools, I think for £1.99 these are an absolute bargain. You've got the screwdriver and socket set one there. You've also got the Torx TX key set, and then hex set as well. So 3 different types there, all £1.99 each. There's a power bank with light for £12.99. 10,000 milliamp hours. Good for sort of charging devices on the go, really. Always good to have a power bank, and comes with a handy light as well. And then over here we've got the deal of the week, the ladder, the 3-in-1 ladder, £69.99, which is £20 less than if you were to get an equivalent at Screwfix. And then we got the die and tap set, 21 piece, £9.99. Like most of the Parkside stuff, comes in these really nice little containers so nothing gets lost. And then specialised drill bits. So this is an angled drill bit, £2.99. What have we got here? We've got screw extractors, if you've rounded the heads. Hinge drill bits in 3 different sizes. Flexible drive shaft for getting into tight spaces, for screwing and drilling. All of these £2.99, even if you only use them once or don't even plan to use them, they're just good to have in your toolkit. And hole saws, 4 different size hole saws there as well. So yeah, lots of good stuff on sale this week. Here it is, just panning across. Right, so I'm back from Lidl, and let's take a look at some of the items I picked up. They actually had this hat this week, it wasn't on the website. It was actually £2.50, so I thought I'd pick up one of those. I picked up this men's t-shirt in a large. It's quite thin, but yeah, just what do you want for a couple of quid, I suppose. The flexible drive shaft, so you can see this here. Here's the actual item, so you can see it's quite flexible. One end's obviously got the bit for your bits, and obviously this end goes into the drill itself. But yeah, pretty flexible that will get in a lot of tight spaces. The hinge drill bit set, so yeah, it comes with 3 drills in different sizes. What sizes are they? 2.8mm, 3.5 and 4.2, and a little Allen key as well, so you can adjust the depth stops on those. The angled bit holder with actually comes with a bit set, so you get PH1, PH2, PH3, and a 4.5 and 5.5mm flathead. So obviously this end here goes into the drill, and then this bit here has got the bit holder attachment. So yeah, it's almost 90 degrees that. So that's, again, that will get into tight spaces. The hole saw set, here it is. Comes with this bit. I think it's called an arbor. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you obviously attach the actual hole saw to it. 4 different sizes there, so a 5-piece set. This one here is the Torx key set. These are really cool for £2. Branded Parkside. You can see this one's got 8 of them, but yeah, you can see the Torx heads there. Good to just have in your little cupboard or something if you don't want to get your whole toolkit out just for doing quick jobs. I picked the Torx set up, I picked the hex set up, and the screwdriver and socket set. And yeah, this one's quite cool. You actually get a couple of a couple of sockets that come with it as well in different sizes. So again, just quite handy to have. I have a lot of this stuff already, but you can never have too much, eh? And then Japanese pull saw. So I've assembled this one, taken it out and shown you, so you can see how flexible the blade is. But yeah, you get a really flush cut on that. Easy to pop out, just press the red handle, that pulls back. And I did pick up the angled one as well, so you can see that there. And then the only other thing I picked up was the ladder. Let me just go and show you the ladder quickly. So here it is in the garden. This is obviously in the step ladder configuration, but it does go straight as well, and then also good for stairs. It's aluminium, it's fairly light, but does feel quite robust. Good locking mechanisms here, and you have to actually flick a switch down here as well to lower it and raise it. Safety straps. Just climb up it. Feels solid though. Feels solid. Good for 150 kilos. So yeah, the only thing I've noticed is it's quite greasy. It's got a lot of oil on it, but other than that, there she is. So thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoy the content, like I say, and you can hear the birds singing, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.